Today, we're diving into how you can use ChatGPT to create blog outlines that save you time and effort. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, this tool is a game changer for your content creation process. Let's get started. First things first, we need to clarify the purpose of our blog post. Are we educating, persuading, or entertaining? In this example, what we're going to do today, we'll write a blog post to educate our audience about effective time management tips. Let's prompt ChatGPT with this information. So what I'll be typing right here is, I'm writing a blog post about effective time management tips. The purpose is to educate readers. Can you help me outline it? And here we go. So let's hit enter and see how ChatGPT would respond. Look at this response right here. It's almost like magic, isn't it? If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Notice how ChatGPT not only grasps the concept quickly, but also provides us with a clear direction to proceed. This structured outline from ChatGPT isn't just a skeleton. It's practically a full body ready to be dressed up with your unique style and insights. What do you think? Now that we have our structured outline right here, it's time to personalize it. Every writer has their unique flair, and your blog should reflect that. Let's show how ChatGPT can help us dive deeper into one of our main points right here in this outline that ChatGPT had generated for us. So let's say our prompt here is, could you expand on the, let's just say, picking on avoiding procrastination section with additional detailed tips and real life applications. Yeah, here's my prompt right here. Then we're sending this off. And we'll let ChatGPT process everything. And there. Here we are. This is how ChatGPT generated right here. So by expanding on this point, ChatGPT has not only enriched our content, but also given us actionable tips that we can share with our audience. You can also tweak these suggestions to better suit your style or the specific needs of your readers. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a detailed blogged outline with ChatGPT in no time.